As a media, is there any possibilities that one day Google said, okay, focus on the content and we give you the platform? Because with Wave, maybe we can edit, we can share, we can build articles and news just in the real time and put it online and edit it in a very collaborative way. Is this something in the pipe?
Well, we hope we are giving you the platform today. So we think this would be an amazing tool for journalists. So you can go in there with your collaborators, people you write articles for. You can be in a Wave together. You can simultaneously edit content. You can be searching the web and you can drop in, I'm going to use this link, I'm going to use this photo. And the best thing, I think, for journalists is the revision history, that we store every single operation that happens on the web. And so you can use this sort of playback mechanism to go traverse the history and look at what's happened. And we don't have those features yet, but we want to give you these rich tools to manipulate the whole timeline of a wave. So you can take a certain set of operations and revert them, or look at changes from certain sets of people, or split apart and merge the wave. So I think for journalists it could be an amazing tool, and hopefully they'll really use it.
And put live the change and maybe generate a PDF and put it on print after that?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, you could take one wave. A wave has a URL, but at the beginning it's only accessible to the participants on the wave. But someone on the wave can choose to publish it and put it out there in the world, and then more people can see it and interact with it. So yeah, we'd like people to be able to print them, to publish them. The authors will have full control over whether people in the world can interact with them and edit them, or if it's more like a static piece of content once it's pushed. You can decide whether when you edit it, changes go live, or when you edit it, somebody actually has to pull a handle and say, publish that now. So we want to give all these sorts of controls.
Actually, the newsroom goes in the cloud.
Yeah. The newsroom could go in the cloud. That would be really cool. We think it's really powerful, and that now all the things you used to do in separate tools, sort of you used to choose, if I'm in instant message, I have live, but I don't have all these rich editing tools. Or if I'm in email, I have rich, but it's not live, and I can't traverse the history of a conversation. So we think this is really powerful to have all the tools all the time.
What about collaboration between, the journalist and the non-journalist? Granting access and different level of access will be possible?
Yeah, we haven't implemented it yet. The developers who get access to the product today will see anyone who's on a wave can do anything to that wave. But we do want to have more sophisticated controls where there could be a concept of the owner of the wave, and they get to decide things like whether anyone could edit the wave, or maybe you can make new messages and edit your own messages, but not edit other people's messages. And some people might even have a read-only type view where they can read it, but not change it themselves. So we absolutely want to provide those tools. It is a developer preview, so we're still working on a lot of these ideas, but we think the kind of potential is amazing.
Cool. Thank you.
Thank you.